Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Olivia, and today we are going to talk about favorite movies.
Hello, everyone. I'm very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Hi Olivia, do you like movies?
Yes, I love movies very much.
Me too. Movies are fun and exciting.
I agree. I watch movies every weekend.
Wow, that is nice. Do you watch movies at home or at the cinema?
Usually at home.
Same here. Watching movies at home is comfortable.
Yes, we can relax on the sofa.
And eat snacks too.
Exactly. I always eat popcorn.
Popcorn and movies are perfect together.
That is true.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedy movies.
Oh really? Comedy movies are very funny.
Yes, they make me laugh.
I like action movies.
Action movies are exciting.
Yes, there is always something happening.
Do you like adventure movies too?
Yes, adventure movies are fun.
I also enjoy animated movies.
Animated movies are great for everyone.
Yes, children and adults enjoy them.
What is your favorite movie?
I really like Frozen.
Oh, that is a popular movie.
Yes, I love the songs in it.
The characters are very nice too.
Yes, especially Elsa.
Elsa is very popular.
Many children love her.
What do you like most about the movie?
I like the story and the music.
That sounds wonderful.
What about you? What is your favorite movie?
I like Spider-Man movies.
Wow, superhero movies are exciting.
Yes, I enjoy the action scenes.
Spider-Man is very brave.
I agree, he always helps people. When do you usually watch movies?
I usually watch movies at night.
Me too. Nighttime is perfect for movies.
Yes, especially on Friday night.
Friday night movies are fun.
Do you watch movies alone or with family?
Usually with family.
Same here. My family enjoys movie nights.
What snacks do you eat?
Popcorn, chips, and chocolate.
That sounds delicious.
What about you?
I like popcorn and juice.
Nice choice.
Let's talk about movie theaters.
Okay.
Do you like going to the cinema?
Yes, sometimes.
The big screen is amazing.
And the sound is very loud.
Yes, it feels exciting.
But movie tickets can be expensive.
That is true.
So I do not go very often.
Same here. Watching movies at home is cheaper.
And more comfortable too.
Let's learn some movie vocabulary.
Great idea.
The word actor means a man in a movie.
Example, the actor is very famous.
Very good.
Actress means a woman in a movie.
Example, the actress is very talented.
Excellent.
Another word is scene.
A scene is one part of a movie.
Example, that action scene was exciting.
Great example.
We also use the word character.
Example, my favorite character is Spider-Man.
Wonderful. Let's practice useful movie sentences.
Okay.
I like comedy movies.
My favorite movie is Frozen.
The movie was funny.
The actors were excellent.
We watched a movie last night.
Great practice.
Let's talk about scary movies.
Oh no, I do not like scary movies.
Really? Why not?
They make me nervous.
I understand.
Do you like horror movies?
A little, but not too much.
I prefer happy movies.
Happy movies are relaxing.
Yes, and they make people smile.
Pronunciation practice time.
Right.
The word movie sounds like moo-vie.
Movie.
Very good.
Another word is cinema.
Cinema.
Excellent pronunciation.
Let's talk about animated movies.
Okay.
Animated movies are colorful and fun.
Yes, and the characters are cute.
Many animated movies teach lessons.
That is true.
Some teach friendship and kindness.
I like movies with good messages.
Me too. Do you watch movies in English?
Sometimes, yes.
That is a good way to learn English.
I agree.
Movies help listening skills.
And we learn new words too.
Subtitles can also help beginners.
Yes, subtitles are useful.
What English movie words do you know?
I know hero, villain, and adventure.
Great job. Let's teach a little grammar.
Okay.
We use like to talk about movies.
Example, I like comedy movies.
We can also use love.
Example, I love action movies.
Love is stronger than like.
Yes, exactly.
We also use the past tense for movies we watched.
Example, I watched a movie yesterday.
Very good. Another useful sentence is, what is your favorite movie?
Many people ask this question.
Yes, it's a great conversation question.
Another useful sentence is, the movie was interesting.
Excellent example. What about you, listeners?
What is your favorite movie?
Do you like comedy, action, or adventure movies?
Please write your answer in the comments.
And if you enjoy our podcast, please like and subscribe.
Thank you for your support.
Let's continue our movie conversation.
Okay.
Some people watch movies many times.
Yes, especially their favorite movies.
Have you watched Frozen many times?
Oh yes, many times.
That is funny.
I never get bored.
Good movies are enjoyable again and again.
That is true.
Do you cry during sad movies?
Sometimes yes,
Me too. Sad movies can be emotional.
but they can also be beautiful.
I agree. Movies can make us feel many emotions.
Happy, sad, excited, or scared.
Exactly. Let's review today's vocabulary.
Okay.
Actor means a man in a movie.
Actress means a woman in a movie.
Scene means one part of a movie.
Character means a person in a movie's story.
Excellent review.
We also practiced useful movie sentences.
Like, I like comedy movies.
And my favorite movie is Frozen.
Movies are great for learning English.
Yes, because we hear natural conversations
We can also learn pronunciation.
and useful daily expressions.
Try watching simple English movies.
Listen carefully and repeat sentences.
Practice every day.
Little by little, your English will improve.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you everyone for listening.
We hope you learned useful English today.
Keep practicing your English every day.
And enjoy your favorite movies too.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.
Goodbye.